In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell futures on TradingView. Now first, you want to go to the top right of your chart and click on Trade, and here you want to connect a broker, okay? So I'm just going to go with paper trading right now, but of course you can connect any of these. It's super simple, just click on the broker and follow the instructions. Now I'm going to click on paper trading and then connect, and there we go, it's going to connect me to paper trading. Now in here, if you want to buy and sell futures, it's super simple. You first have to find the future you want to trade, so I'm going to go to top left here, click on the symbol search, and here I'm going to look for something. So for example, if I do S&P, like for example S&P like this, and if I click on futures over here, it's going to filter only the futures. I have a bunch of different ones here, but of course I can just switch over to futures and find whatever I want. I'm going to go with this one over here, for example the Nasdaq 100 index futures. So I'm going to click on it, and there we go, it's going to pop up on my chart. And now to actually buy and sell futures, you want to click on either buy or sell top left, which is going to open a trading panel, or you could also go to trade top right, which is going to open this side panel on the right where you can basically place your trades. Okay, you can go to buy or sell up top, then you can select the type of your order, so either market, limit, or stop. It's up to you, whichever you want to use. Since the markets are currently closed, I'm going to actually use the limit order right now. Then you can select the amount of units, and then if you want to use any exits such as take profits or stop losses, and you also have like extra settings over here if you want to use these. Now I'm going to click on the buy button like this, there we go, and I've successfully bought that specific future. Or I could go to sell over here, and I've sold futures as well. Okay, so that's how to buy and sell futures. That's kind of the basics on TradingView. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.